Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 8. Rationalize 2 minus root 5 all over 3 minus root 5. A. 1 minus root 5 over 2. B. 1 minus root 5 over 4. C. root 5 minus 1 over 2. And D. 1 plus root 5 over 4. Now we're asked to rationalize this surd given to us. And like we know, to rationalize a surd, we have to look at our denominator and find the conjugate of our denominator. And the conjugate of our denominator, which is 3 minus root 5, is equals to 3 plus root 5. Now we multiply both the numerator and denominator by this conjugate. So now we'll be having 2 minus root 5 all over 3 minus root 5 multiplied by 3 plus root 5 all over 3 plus root 5. So here now we have just this will give us 2 minus root 5 into 3 plus root 5 all over 3 minus root 5 into 3 plus root 5. Now this is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6. 2 multiplied by root 5 will give us what? Plus 2 root 5. Minus 5 multiplied by 3 will give us minus 3 root 5. And minus 5 multiplied by minus m plus root 5. That will give us what? Minus root 5 times 5 all over. Now 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 9. Then 3 multiplied by root 5 will give us what? 3 root 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by 3 will give us what? Minus 3 root 5. Then minus 5 multiplied by plus root 5 minus root 5 multiplied by plus root 5 will give us what? Minus root 5 multiplied by 5. So this is equals to 6. Now 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5 will give us what? Minus root 5. Then minus root 25 all over. Now we have 9 plus 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5 is 0. Then minus root 25. So this is equals to 6 minus, now root 5 will give us 5, so that's 6 minus 5 minus root 5 all over 9 minus 5. And this is equals to 6 minus 5 is 1 minus root 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4 all over 4. That's 1 minus root 5 all over 4 is the answer to this question. And looking at this, that is what option B, 1 minus root 5 over 4. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.